Welcome to Land Cruiser Restorations. I'd like to introduce you to this 2100 series Toyota Land Cruiser we just finished up in the velvet green, which is our own color. Turned out really nice. It's going to California, probably San Diego area. I think this guy is a surfer. This is kind of unusual to have a 100 series done in the green. Really turned out very well. Let me do a quick video on it to kind of introduce it to you. LED headlights, bumper, rigid industry, front bumper lights. We really like the rigid industry lights. They put out a lot of light. Nice roof rack. So if you're interested in a Land Cruiser restored, you might consider us for the project. Our number is 316-992-5986. Check out these wheels. Again, I can't say enough about this color. It's our own in-house color. We call it velvet green. I'll show the interior in just a moment. I'll do a quick walk around. If you're anything like me, you kind of hate the long and boring videos. So I'm going to do a real quick one. We also done an engine transplant. The engine that was in here was a 4.7 stock engine, and we found another low mileage engine. Done a transplant for him. We've done some interior work as well. Turned out really nice. So we were lucky enough to find him an engine with right around 100,000 miles on it. Well taken care of, low mileage engine, the V8, 2 UZFE, 4700. Again, if you're interested in a restoration on a Land Cruiser, give us a shout, 316-992-5986. Thank you.